Okay. So today we will do a minute. Okay. In the last class, what we did the commutative property of integers. This one we have done already. That we have a plus b, it is equals to b plus a, right? Let's say this is the example, 3 plus minus 5 or minus 5 plus 3, it is same, right? This one we done in the last class. Okay. Okay, now we have this example we have done in the last class. Okay, so from this option we have also done. We know which of the following has a commutative property, right? It is addition and multiplication. So this is the answer. Now we have associative property, right? Now what is associative property? It means, let's say we have a, b, c, all are the integers. Now this is the associative property. The associative property of addition, right? So let's say if we have, wait a minute, or you just write only the associative property, not addition. This is number 1 in the associative. What is here? If we have a, b plus c, it is equals to a plus b plus c. We can separate like this. Here can be that. Let's say the example. This is the example, right? Example is what? Minus 1 plus 9 plus minus 2, right? We can change like this, minus 1 in the bracket, and in the big bracket this one separate. This is 6, right? So associative property, and you just write down this one and this example. So write down in your notebook, this one also no, this one no, this one no. So what you have to write, you just write the associative property. This is the property, right? A plus b plus c. What it is telling, these are the integers. It is equals to a plus b plus c, right? Now this is the example of associative property. So just write down please in your notebook. Just write down. Or you just write the associative property of, okay, this is associative property of addition. Yes, write the full, because next we have for the multiplication. You just write down this one, the associative property of addition. Write down this one and the example, right? So write in your book. wait. Oh. It's connected here. Just a minute. Yes, write down please in your notebook. Hello, so 5 students they are watching now, so please write down also those who are watching.
นักเรียนก่อนทำงานนักเรียนเขียนวันที่เวลาเช็คงานที่แต่ละวันที่ต่อไปเวลาเขียนวันที่ให้เขียนเต็มเลยไม่ต้องเขียนเรียงข้างๆแล้วนะเนี่ยแล้วเวลาก็มีมันไม่เขียน
Yes, write the date also เขียนวันที่ด้วย
ที่งานที่เริ่มงานต่อไปที่ค่ะที่อยู่ไหน
Right? Write down this one. Okay. So next, we have the associative property of multiplication, right? Same like that, you have to write down this one, the associative property of multiplication. Same with the multiplication, if we have A multiplied by B multiplied by C, right? We can write like this, A, make it separate, multiply by this B and this C. This is the associative property. And this one, it is example. Right? What is example? Let's say here, minus 1 multiplied by 9 multiplied by minus 2. Now let's see, we just multiply these two, answer is minus 9. Minus 9 multiplied by minus 2, answer is 18. This same we can write like this, minus 1 take it out and this one in the whole bracket, right? So just write down this one, the associative property of multiplication, this one and this example, right? No need to write this one, no need to write this one, you just write only this one. The associative property of multiplication. So we will say this side it is equals to this side, right?
B คูณ C เพราะฉะนั้นอันเนี้ยตัวที่เปลี่ยนไปก็คือเล็กจาก การบวกแล้วก็การคูณนะคะสมบัติการสลับที่ก็สลับตัวเลขหลังไปหน้าไปหลังนะคะการบวกก็จะมีเครื่องหมายบวกให้คูณก็จะมีเครื่องหมายคูณให้อย่างเช่น3คูณลบ2เท่ากับลบ2คูณ3ผลลัพธ์ที่ได้มันจะเท่ากัน
Yes, write down first. Then okay, so next the last one, it is the distributive property, right? So now what is distributive property? Given that A, B and C, these are all integers, so we can say A multiplied by B plus C. Now this one, it is what? A multiplied by B plus, right? We have to do A multiplied by C. This is the distributive property. Same here, B plus C, right? B equal to A, okay? Plus sign C multiplied by A. This is the distributive property. So you just write down only this one no need, and this one, let's say this one is just an example. Okay, you just write one example. Let's say this one, right? This one, no. This is the distributive property of integers. We have A multiplied by B plus C. We can do like this, and this is one example. So please ask your other students to join as well, your other classmates. Okay, done. Okay, now next, let's say this is not the homework. This is not a homework. I'll just cut. Let's say we have A multiplied by B, B multiplied by A, right? So, what is the answer here? Minus 2, minus 2. And what property it is? Which property it is? This is, we have done already. This is commutative property, right? This is commutative, right? This is commutative property, right? Okay, now let's check other. Okay, how about this one? Which property it is? This is associative property, right? Because we know A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So if we change like this, this is associative property. This one, the last one, distributive property, right? So wait a minute. Let me see. Okay. So this is not your homework. You have to do it now. Page number 32. Question number. Practice now 1 to 4, and question number 3 1 to 4. Do it now, please. I will just change it here. Page number 32. Wait a minute. Yes, do it now, please, in your book. Right? Practice now and this question of the book. Yes, do it now. So we will check the answers. Okay, done. Now, let's check the answers. Page number 32. Okay, question number 1. What is the answer? What? 10. Yes, correct. Number 2. This one. Page number 22. Yes. Page number 32, practice now 1 to 4, right? Okay. So number 2, what is the answer? What we will put here? 12, correct. Number 3? minus 6. Okay, we will check. Okay, number 4. Okay. So number 1 is 10, 12, minus 6 and 6. Okay, number 3. We will put here 8 and 5. Number 2, it is here 16 minus 17. Here we have 6 and here minus 100. So check your answers. Right, these are all your answers. Yes, check your answers please. Okay. Okay, done. These are all your answers. Okay. Right? Now, this one we will do it, wait a minute. Okay, so first, let's say this is 29 plus 13. What number will be here? What number we will put here? 29. This is the commutative property. Here 4 and here minus 2. This side minus 5. Right? Here what we will have? A. Right? This is commutative property. Okay, let's come to this one. Okay, question number 3. Here and here. 5 and A. Okay, other question. Let's check number 9. What we will put here? Minus 5 and C. Right? This is the commutative property. So now we will do applications of integers. Right? Means integer where we will use we will use in calculations when we calculate the price. Right? So let's say this is one example. This is not your homework. This is not your homework. Wait a minute. Okay. So question number 1, please write down this question first in your notebook and you can on this question only number 1. This one, no. What is the question? Noe wants to buy 5 handkerchiefs, right? Yes. 5 handkerchiefs for 17 baht, 5 pen for 13 baht. Describe how Noe can quickly calculate the price of handkerchief and pen. Yes. Easy. Okay, okay.
แค่บวกกันเฉยๆเองไม่มันก็คือแต่ละเอาละก็5คูณ17แล้วก็บวกกับ5คูณ13ก็ได้คำตอบ
โอเคโอเคเดี๋ยวอะไรกันนะ And in the end you have to write the sentence of where I'm from. In Cambridge, yes, I will show you.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes, because that's why we will just write only one. Then take on the yoke, right?
ต้องแสดงวิธีทำด้วย
Sentence เดี๋ยวให้ดูเขียนไว้ก่อน Write down first อันนี้ตัวอย่าง example
ทำข้อเดียวใช่ไหม teacher
Yes ทำแค่ข้อเดียว right? So those who are watching live, you have to write question number 1 only. What happened? Write down first. Okay, done? Said yang? Okay, so how we will do? Right?
No.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. So what is the answer? How we will do this question? You know already. Okay. As it left, 17 multiplied by 5, 13 multiplied by 5, add, but in the end, what you have to do, I need to bring your wait. Right? Wait. You're studying how you have to do this one for the handkerchief, this one for the pen, right? And it's about handkerchief, pen, and add all. Now I has to pay, right? This one, right? And this one, right? So this is แสดงวิธีทำประมาณนี้15คูณไม่ต้องเขียนในนั้นไม่ต้องเขียนแต่เขียนประโยคล่าสุด right what you have to do
เขียนแม่ที่ชื่อเชื่อวง
ใช่อันนี้ไม่ต้อง so this one 17คูณ5ก่อน right next 13คูณ5 next just add all Noi has to pay Noi has to pay this one right so this is your answer what oh thank you คูณ5 13คูณ5อันนี้ได้คำตอบแล้วก็อันนี้จบแค่นี้ข้อสอบมีข้อเขียนประมาณนี้ประโยคด้วย yeah ประโยค you have to write a sentence as well อะไรนะ
Beauty Walker เลยใช่ไหมครับ
Who is that
Please เป็น Beauty Walker ขายของออนไลน์
อ๋อขายของออนไลน์
อะไรนะ
เขาบอกว่าอยากเป็นทีเชอร์จะได้ด่านักเรียนเสร็จแล้ว next ต่อไปข้อต่อไปทำในหนังสือเอง yes ไม่ใช่ yes this one do it now in your book ข้อสุดท้ายก็จบ yes do it now please in your book yes 533 last question for today please do in your book yes those who are watching this one is the last so please do it now in your book yes easy so do it now and you have to write the sentence also again แฟคทอรี่ what is factory factory แปลว่าอะไร what is factory factory มันคืออะไร
โรงงาน
ถูกต้อง good
right โรงงาน
factory produces 650 right ของนี่อ๋อโอเคแล้วที่เราเขียนอันนี้ factory produces แล้วก็ที่เราได้คำตอบรวมกัน on 3 days แค่นี้ yes ประมาณนี้เวทไปจะให้ดูเขียน right 652 toys on Monday okay 375 on Tuesday 488 on แค่นี้เอง yes correct 3 วัน right
มีซอสอ่ะมีซอส
okay so for this question คำตอบเป็นอย่างนี้ look at here what we will do wait ไม่เป็นไรแบบไหนก็ได้ right but we want in the last เขียนประโยคด้วยประโยคก็แบบไหนก็ได้มีหลายวิธี up to you right อันนี้เป็น it is up to you เขียนแบบไหนก็ได้ right so the total number of toys we just add all right so we will say the number of toys the factory produces in 3 days is 1,515 right so we have to do like this right
Yes.
yes yes write down เดี๋ยวเขียนก่อนแล้วก็มีการบ้าน
วันนี้ไม่มีการบ้านค่ะ
วันนี้มีเดี๋ยววันนี้มี yes ทุกวันแบบนี้ไม่ได้ ทุกวันแบบนี้ไม่ได้
ที่เจอคิดดิ้งเหรอที่เจอโจ๊กกิ้งอะไรแบบนั้นสิว
kidding joking teasing มันกันคำตอบมันกัน
ไม่มีการบ้านโอเคไป
เดี๋ยวwait
เสร็จแล้ว
เดี๋ยวให้คนอื่นเสร็จก่อน
อันนี้เว้ยอันนี้เว้ย
yes please write down this one the next you have homework I will write your homework now อุ้ย what happened Dan okay yes write down first right yes your homework page number 34 this is your homework wait I will write here page 34 and exercise 1F question number 1 page 35 right so total you have 3 questions ทั้งหมด3ข้อ page number 34 practice now exercise 1F question number 1 and page number 35 question number 2 right this is all about your homework การบ้าน right and next week เดี๋ยวนะอาทิตย์ต่อไปสอบ yes you have test สอบคณิตศาสตร์สอบเรื่องนี้อะไรสอบเก็บคะแนน5คะแนน right okay right so next week you have test so see you again in the next class bye bye thank you